Are you searching high and low for that picture perfect, move-in ready Chicago home, counting on surefire home value increases in the years ahead? Let's talk about why you may want to consider that less than perfect home. You know, the one you've already taken off your list. Nearly every home buyer I'm in touch with has the same wish list: move-in ready, zero projects. They also don't want to be pressured to make a fast decision or have to compete with other buyers and their offers. The truth about most homes in and around Chicago is that they're at least 15 years old. Many have longtime owners that have maybe owned for 20 or 30 years. Maybe they did a renovation in the 90s. Maybe they never did. Those wallpapered walls can hold real estate gold, and here's how. Sometimes buying something a little bit ugly can be the best way, and maybe the only way, to get in the specific location or building that you really want. For example, our lakefront areas have been pretty well filled in with homes and condos that were built in the 1970s and earlier. The good news is that so many of those condos have great floor plans, amazing views. Even the city's best blocks can have homes that need a little bit of help to find their luster. As you may have noticed, homes that require a little bit of imagination greatly outnumber the picture-perfect ones. And that means that when you show up and give those homes consideration, you're less likely to be crowded out by other buyers or rushed into a decision. And all of this can mean the greater negotiating leverage so many buyers are seeking in the current market. I mean, think about it. If you're depending only on general market trends and market lift and the economy to deliver all of the home price appreciation that you're expecting, you're relying entirely on factors outside of your control. Don't let the real estate flippers have all the fun. Create the home of your dreams and bake in that price appreciation for yourself in the future. I bought my first home about 20 years ago with a purchase renovation loan. I renovated the kitchen and did other repairs, and those loans really help you purchase a property and package those renovation costs inside the loan. They're super easy and valuable to make things a reality. And all these years later, I'm still at it. In 2019, my husband and I purchased our current home, did a full renovation on it with the same kind of loan. We reimagined the home and made it into something great. And right now, I am standing in our new condo, which is our next home, and it is currently under renovation. I was super drawn to the lake views and the spacious layout and the amenities in this area. We really enjoy creating a home with more custom interiors than we see elsewhere. And we really love the tax-free profits that come with living in a home that you renovate, improve, and then sell. So if you're looking for a recession-proof strategy for your next real estate purchase, one that will bake in home price appreciation regardless of what the market is doing around you, consider buying with imagination. If you're considering a purchase of something that needs a little bit of work and requires more than a little bit of imagination, I'm here to help. Please schedule a no-obligation discovery call so we can explore your options and talk about the road ahead of us. Take care.